Today we are here to present the Top Mechanic Award for 2026 to Bridgestone Select Tyre and Auto in Robina. It's the first time they've won and we're stoked to be able to present them with this certificate. Let's go. Hello.
Hello.
Elysse, AutoGuru.
Miles.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
Congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
We've got Miles from Bridgestone Select Tyre and Auto in Robina, the top mechanic in Australia for 2026. Congratulations.
Thank you.
A lot of hard work has gone into that and a lot of really happy customers. Love it.
It's good to hear, yeah.
Yep.
Me and my father, we started it from scratch about 9 years ago now, so coming up on our 10th year. It means a lot really because knowing it's coming from customers rather than like a panel or something like that, which there's no politics involved. What we've been bringing to the customers and being able to, I guess, show our worth to the customers and get their trust. Yeah, super satisfying. Yeah, it is a nice feeling, and can't wait to share with the guys what we've achieved as a team. Really, the mechanic industry does have a tough time with customer trust. So yeah, being able to get these reviews is very gratifying. Keeping customer service the forefront, remembering what we're here for. We're here to help people and keep the roads safe. And you're not just keeping the customer safe, you're keeping your family safe, you're keeping everyone on the road safe. And that's something Bridgestone are very big on. So yeah, we make sure we've got the right things in place and processes in place to make sure the guys are safe, and in turn we do the same processes to make sure the customers are safe. It's about asking the right questions and getting into the customer's head of what they're actually experiencing, because they don't always know the right way to say it. So we got to ask the questions until we can figure it out. Yeah, make our jobs easier as well. I think just keep growing and keep building up the team and keep upskilling the team as well. There's a lot of changes coming to cars in the future, and yeah, we need to keep on top of that. So.